video, you'll learn how to change the PIN on your Chromebook. So if you've given someone your Chromebook to use and you just want to have an extra layer of security by changing your PIN because they knew your previous one, then this is the way to go. So to start changing it, you want to launch the Settings app. And once you've launched Settings, you then want to scroll down and you want to select Privacy and Security. From here, click on the option Lock Screen and Sign In, and then enter in your current Google account password. Since we have a PIN set up, we can always just make it easier by typing in the PIN. And then go next. From here, you should see Sign In Options and then PIN. Next to PIN, you should see this Change PIN option. Select that. And then you want to start by entering in your new PIN that you're going to be using. It has to be at least 6 digits. And then once you've entered it in, you want to click on Continue. Enter it in again. And then confirm your new PIN. Once you've done that, it means that whenever you want to unlock your Chromebook, you'll need to use your new PIN. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.